I had rheumatoid arthritis.
I was suffering chronic pain for over 10 years.
Lupus and Sjogren's.
Sjogren's and Lyme's, I was diagnosed with those two.
I was first diagnosed with lupus and then Sjogren's.
A Graves syndrome, a Sjogren's-like syndrome, a rheumatoid arthritis. I've been living with pain all my life.
I was diagnosed with lupus at the age of 14, coming up on 10 years I've had it now.
Not only did I start feeling better in the first week, but I was off all of my medications within 3 weeks.
With Dr. G's guidance, I have been pain-free. I have had 0 flare-ups. I have gone to 0 doctor's appointments.
I've had stomach problems for years and years. They're completely gone.
My butterfly rash wasn't there. No tunnel vision, no spots, and I don't suffer from stiff joints at all anymore.
I woke up and I was pain-free.
Immediately, the itching stopped. I don't have to wear braces on my wrist. I can type. I apparently don't have carpal tunnel syndrome. I don't have any ankle pain. I don't have any knee pain.
When you put the right things into your body, when you put healing foods into your body, it will change and it will heal.
I'm healing. I had my anti-nuclear antibodies were negative and my inflammatory markers were very, very low.
To have these nutrients and to feel the energy after being so lethargic and so fatigued and so drained, I could not be more grateful.
And I feel so good.
It's transformed every aspect of my life and the way I feel.
I am back to being the person that I used to be. So thanks, Doc.
I am back to my normal.
There is so much hope, and I'm so excited that I feel good.
I'm on this high right now where I feel incredible. I really do.
And I hope that everybody who's suffering from any kind of autoimmune or other disorder has the opportunity to try this. I mean, it will save lives.
My disease will never take over my life.
This is the best thing that has ever happened to me.